Hello folks, look what we got here. It's sweet and sour because unfortunately we have to remove it. Car has been sold. We did this wrap earlier last year. We did it for the Gold Rush Rally. It's an event in the US where people go to with high-end cars and they have some fun and they travel from place to place. So I haven't really inspected the car, so I guess that we're gonna do this at the same time. Just so you know, we did not install the white, okay, just the black and the red. So black, it's the Phantom Black, and the red, it's red chrome by Hexis. Black, it's KPMF. So let's just check the bumper. Trying to go slow. All right, so it's looking pretty good. We typically do mirrors. We always put a seam here. It's really not that visible. Oh, looks like they didn't remove the handles to install the white. Obviously, that makes no sense because it's kind of temporary. And again, we didn't do that. Oh, look at the red. Yeah, so everything is holding up really good. Let's see more here. I covered the license plate. Yeah, so even some of the film, like a lot of this has like a lot of tension and it's holding up really good. Obviously, I'm not surprised by it because it is supposed to hold up, but it looks great. Like I said, it's sour because like it's a masterpiece. That we did this one because of this one, right? So when the customer saw my car, he said that he wanted the same. And I said, obviously, like I can't do the same because first off, it's a different car, and I do never repeat custom work. I have no issues doing something similar, but not the same. So obviously, the color is red, and background is the same, and the graphics, they are somewhat similar, right? Same base, but I rebuilt it. These rims, they came out really good, and that's why I did my rims like that, because my rims were done after this. So I like this so much that I ended up doing the same. I do have the key so I can open the door. Let's see. Yeah, it's still holding up really good. For chrome is harder to install, as some people know. Oh, more of the white. Yeah, but again, that's okay. It wasn't done by us. Yeah. All right. And First Form. Do you guys know who owns that? That's Andy Frisella. A really nice guy in the US. I listen to his podcast every now and then. He has a lot of stuff to share about, especially if you want to improve your business. You should definitely listen to him. Yeah, but like this looks great. The roof, I can see. Trying to look at the phone, it looks good. I can see. Yeah, it looks good. Everything looks really tight and nice. So we have shown a couple of weeks ago a wrap that has been done by us 5 years before. The Mercedes, the green. Actually, it was wrapped in blue originally. The video, it's on Instagram, and it was holding up really good. Now this one, but obviously this was done a year and a half ago, and it's holding up really good. So I would like to see other people also showing up their work, and go close corners and show some detail. That would be interesting to know. Yeah, there's a lot of different pieces here. Interior, let's see, wheel wells, everything is holding up really good. Corners are tight tight corners, looking good. Tiny stone shape there. Can prevent all of that. But yeah, stoked. Awesome job. I know that the video is a little bit long, but if you made it this far, thank you. Appreciate. Cheers.